Good morning, Gabby.
Na empo me there.
Nyamiado. Me sure say onzo we.
Oh, nyamiado me bia ya pa. Mami ntie we.
Rich. Nyamiado much now we have the World Cup final. And I think that this is a World Cup final you will be there in all measures. The very first time as Spain Argentina this year. About the very first time outside the trophy, the winners being golden rings. Just say, "Okay, America, I'm going Super Bowl we are." Instead of medals, they give them the championship rings. Now, China, FIFA in collaboration with America for now going to give the winners championship rings. Okay. The ring in the saying that here, China, your players they will take their championship rings. They are going to be about 1,000 more on sale. I will be a person also top championship rings so will be able to get him to buy on FIFA website. Essentially, FIFA want to do every World Cup the way of the locals. In Nhyira, we share the pre-match press conference that was different than we know. Now we're more open. Acquire something similar to the Club World Cup. Lionel Messi, Babet Sanase. I think 2 more Argentine players were there. 4 the Spaniards as well, Luis de la Fuente and Rodrigo Cascante were there. Essentially to ask open questions from the crowd about how our game will be. A World Cup that is different, that is from not the same as singing. Now, to be very honest, for Argentina, it's an end of an era. But for Spain, it's the beginning of an era. To be very honest, almost every other person our Spain team in Biano has been mentored by Lionel Messi. Our brother Lionel Messi, a young boy, or the La Masia, he mentored them. And when you listen to almost every Barcelona fan, the emotions are high. In fact, and then Okoka Bibina and Korea and Koma Barcelona fan, they can even insult you. Because they think that's a homogenaba. And you don't have to stress it, Banessa. What is that Preston? Preston is a handing over ceremony of Mubabe. The old guard of Barcelona handing over to the new guard of Barcelona. The old guard essentially represented by Messi, and the new guard, Abrante friend Lamine Yamal. And yet Lamine Yamal, people always point out to this picture of Lamine Yamal, any Mami, any Lionel Messi. And really say for money by clear. Say picture no clear. Now it was a picture of inclusivity. A young black African mother. And a wow. Then they wanted Lionel Messi, who was an ambassador for them, to take the picture for that inclusivity. And it was true. I don't think that there is a greater picture that does a good job of marketing for Lionel Messi than this. Because it shows the human side of somebody in there. Almost everybody or Big Boy would argue that the greatest player in the history of the game, if the one of the greatest player in the history of the game, if not the greatest. And that is the picture one of Lionel Messi and Lamine Yamal and there was another one of Lionel Messi and Okita Pau Kubasi one said. There is another one of Lionel Messi and a branch friend Pedri, any American friend Gavi, next to him. So he tells himself for almost all of the Spain boys, he had seen them, he knows them. And then in that pre-match press conference, he said this. Also that picture with Lamine. Now we are facing each other in a final. After a photo was taken of us when he was a baby. It's just insane. And Gabi, I don't know if you have dipped it. But see, I can say, we are saying, this is what we mean. Who would have thought? Quote and unquote, at this point in time, you can miss it between me and Lamine concrete. But fast forward, today Lamine gets to play against Lionel Messi in the World Cup final. It is the duality of life. Baboni Ebono. In our form. But today, you can be there. At this point, what I mean by Messi, he was powerless. But Lamine Yamal can stop Messi's dream of winning 2 World Cups. And that tells you how sometimes in life, so you should be very careful with the people that are underneath you and that's going forward. there's one more connection of the two teams. And I'll recount the story of Lionel Scolani and how Onuankasa accounts here as to how he became the Argentine national team manager. Argentina have gone through a very bad spell. Obekaya, Jorge Sampaoli, Diego Armando Maradona. There was one other coach that was very, very old Argentine coach. In that spell, after 2006 World Cup, 2010 World Cup, 2014 World Cup, the Argentines kept on coming close. But the success was very far away from them. There was a group of Argentine former 2006 players, Roberto Ayala, Lionel Scolani. Almost as I say, they wanted to at least start with coaching badges and see if they can take up coaching job in Spain. And while they were going through the coaching badges in Spain, our instructor was Luis de la Fuente, who at the time worked with the Spanish Federation. Obiana, he had gone through the Spanish lower division, under 17, under 20, under 23. He was the one that coached them. And usually he said, oh yes, Jumana, you have a multiple job of being a coaching instructor. So it is just like today, Desmond Efe, the football directorate in terms of technical side of GFA. In terms of coaching instruction, when younger coaches come through, he would have a chance to mentor those boys. And that is the story. He was his mentor. And Oyamiya Mochna, he gets to meet him again. Will be ending the boss. They get to meet him. One La Fuente, on said between England and Argentina, one person, so Argentina really because he wants to meet his old friend, and our brand friend Luis de la Fuente. And that is the transitioning of our brand your friend Lionel Scolani from the days when we were at Sevilla and then straight to today. I have done a good job. There was an interesting video that I forgot to get Princeton. Who is that? There's a picture of Lionel of Luis de la Fuente.
And I say, we're Trasaku.
And yes, Sakura Nunkwa, he is fitter today. Have you seen the video of Luis de la Fuente or Jim? Who was that video? I'm sure a lot of people have seen it. De La Fuente tells the story of how a coach in the juvenile side, young, sat time, not unhealthy. The only things he used to do was over coaching coffee. But now, even today, I've seen the players, even gym worker, he is one of the fittest of the lots. I'll show you shoot now. Look at how Bono he works out aggressively to the extent that at this age, Luis de la Fuente still looks sharp. And now he spoke about Lionel Scolani. I said, but Scolani and I agree on many principles and many ways of thinking. I believe we are not such different teams. The match will be very evenly matched, decided by details, but we must impose ourselves. The most important word going into the final in its analysis is the word imposition. Because to be clear with you, these are two different styles of plays. Argentina for the style of play is the relationship style of play, whilst for Spain it's more juego de posición, not from the positional play. So there are two different styles of plays. Whilst Luis de la Fuente says that all agree on certain things, no, for both of them, they have two different schools of playing the game. The South Americans think that there should be a lot of rotations. Anything that the Argentines were comfortable pressing man for man, they don't care if we go the port, more changing a left wing and right winger. No, it's about how you are playing in relation to the ball. For the positional play, it is more about players being disciplined in a set structure, playing in a particular way, and then doing the job and demands of Sahara. It's as simple as that. It is the two teams, no. Once they are from two traditional schools of thought in terms of football, who will be able to impose their style of play on the other? Argentina, can they impose their style of play on the Spaniards? Or can the Spaniards dominate the ball and then impose their style of play, force the Argentines to defend, and then, of course, impose on the style and get the win against them? De La Fuente was 76% win rate as a coach. Now, let us not forget, Yenka where both teams have come from. When Spain was 0-0 against Cabo Verde in the opening match. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you remember what had happened when Spain was 0-0 against Cape Verde?
Yeah, when I'm yes, any African countries will be there because it's a Cape Verde to my side now.
Did you believe at that point 0-0? Say Spain will make it through to the final, not make it out of their group, but final then. It was a little bit far-fetched to think about it.
Because when to man say Cape Verde will be anything.
What are you going to do? But on the second game against Saudi Arabia, we need by 4-0. And we boy against Uruguay, and we shared 1-0. Then in the round of 32 against Austria, a European side as well as them, we really gave by 3-0. Then in the quarter-final, round of 16 against Portugal, we shared by that solitary goal by Mikel Merino Sobekaya. Then in the quarter-final, beat Belgium by 2-1. Semi-final against France, 2-0. Now look at the most interesting stage. Group stage 1 conceded goal. Round of 61 round of 32 one conceded goal. Round of 61 conceded goal. It was in the quarter-final against Belgium and conceded 1 goal.
1 goal.
Then in the semi-final on conceded goal. So throughout the competition, Spain won have conceded just a single goal. And it tells you, for a side that is not known for its prowess without the ball, and yet then the Spain were able to prevent opponent from scoring them. This is what we say was our question now. Because Spain for the anyone want to say, ball in opening kita, almost create chances, almost say. So the big problem is that I didn't see the assistants now.
Then some more good defenders.
No, not just that, Gab. And you have somebody in the attack. Say in football, you don't just defend without the ball.
Okay.
But you defend with the ball. You don't just play without the ball. You play with the ball. And Spain follow in everything. And you ever come in here and say they defend with the ball. It's the new you should ball to Ukraine is in your area. By the time you are unable to create a proper clear-cut chance to score them. Okay, Tabona, heading somebody finish them. It's by the time you get in possession, it's just like what Mbappe said. France is following chains on the carbon. You don't turn over possession from the Spaniards in their own area. They take care of the ball. And I chanced on an interview with Xabi Alonso 10 years ago. Also, in the mind of every Spaniard player or football person, the ball is the most important thing. For a lot of other countries and school of thought, the goal post of the opponent is the most important thing. And your ball ne kita ne dan na no ene here. Say osha ball no so ya obenya go. And that is why it's difficult to score against them. Again for Argentines, a different story. Almost a 2-0 against Algeria, 3-2-0 against Austria, 3-1 against Jordan. Almost winning 3-2 in extra time against Cabo Verde. Another extra time 3-2 win against the Egyptians in regulation time actually. Then in extra time against the Swiss. I think the most difficult game Argentina was not the English game. Tactically, it was the Swiss game. Burat Yakin ABB how to beat the Argentines. And that is why for the very first time in the knockout phases, Linus Colan is a son and son, and William Simeone as a winger. Something he had not done before in the knockout phases. No. He knew that he had to change something because now Abrante Fred Burat Yakin changed a lot of things about how they play. I think that when you look at the two difference makers on both sides, France versus Spain, we thought it was going to be an Mbappe versus Lamine Yamal. But Rodri Cascante gave us a clinic of how to control the game. Now, shall Rodri ATV provide this same clinic or something similar to that? I doubt the Bible game we will mention the name of Lionel Messi. We will mention the name of Lionel Messi because if you're player of the tournament, if you're the goal king, which he's already leading. But in the game in itself, Sir Rodri prevented Argentines from having a sniff of the ball. Not Spain for the ball with Fabian Ruiz. No, constantly go to the recycling process, hold on to the ball, take the ball back, create the chances, and then win it back within the shortest possible time of 10 seconds. For Argentines to exert that form of imposition on open. And to this, I'm saying, I think, in game state, Spain will impose themselves on Argentines.
Okay.
I think this is a blame your ball, wearing Kitama. I doubt the Spaniards can, the Argentines can do the 90-minute man-for-man press against England. I doubt that the hunger to play against England is the same as. The last time I was telling you about the islands of Falkland and what they say in Spanish, the Malvinas. No, the game of football between Argentina and England, no, and your ball, and your war.
So, that game now, your boy.
Yes, it is more for the Argentines. Up to today, Gabi, your ball tournament in your FIFA best and chill, but still,
and you
don't care.
Yeah.
You so I got what you on Instagram. Up till now, we do the report. I saw that on Instagram. That picture, they put it there. We asked him, he said yes, and okay, yeah. For them, it's about their nation, what they represent. That is the most important thing to them. And you're born and you're born. So they constantly represent that. And the football gods have given them 3 most important wins against England. Maybe they came in and they say, and then I wrote it on Twitter. One day, say, Jude Bellingham will get the last laugh at Argentines. One will be. Nobody should call Jude Bellingham an arrogant boy. Because you're person. People will forget.
But France, we can win 2 times. Argentina, we can win 2 times against France.
Yeah.
Or we the same thing. I know my boy against England.
Yeah.
Or my the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, England for you show will be. It will come football sanity. We don't need about to cry. But a day will come where the football boys will smile on the English. When they smile on them, no one should call the English boys arrogant. Because Leandro Paredes will do the poet did do that tell me and why do you? Because he has lost it. Alright, but that back into the game. When Rodri gets to control the game, I like one of the things that Louis de la Fuente in the pre-match press conference. Besides, once over pressing Argentina for man for man, not winning maybe. A couple of years ago, no coach Sevilla for under 14 was a bizarre.
Aye.
Now, almost Barca for the Messi buy.
I'm the Messi buy.
Everyone ball man for man. 70 minutes 0-0. And then you play now. Oh yeah, man for man. Only free.
But then the 2 Messi hono.
No, we answer 3 was a 4.
I also say a 4.
So you can imagine. It goes to tell you that once you want to control the game, Lionel Messi has the moment. He's a momentous player. Oh yeah, there are people like to call the players no more memories, you know. Out of nothing, out of the blink of an eye. No engineer did, he pulls it out of the bag. That is what Lionel Messi gives you. But why it is difficult for me to think that Lionel Messi may have that kind of game in this one is that Spain will hardly let you get those balls in those areas that consistently. All the times Argentina and Lionel Messi have changed the game, Lionel Messi got the ball close to the edge of the opposition.
Yes, very true.
Cape Verde, Argentina, Egypt, England, Switzerland.
Or the just spends the around the corner.
Because Gabi, no can say. So Messi your ball on center circle, they be a center circle on your ball now. How much will he be able to influence the game unless he is carrying it through a swarm of players to go and score himself?
Yeah.
But how many times will he be able to do that? Against England, within a split of 10 minutes, no one yet to set up Enzo Fernandez and the other one Lautaro Martinez. So the Spaniards would have to do a good job of taking the ball away from Argentina and staying in it as long as possible. 39 years and 21 days, Lionel Messi, or the oldest player outfield to make an appearance at the World Cup semi-final. And it means that at the World Cup final, obviously, you get to see Lionel Messi. Then only one interesting thing, in the pre-match press conference, Omokofa, Bradimo, Djokovic, Omokofa, Travis Scott, Brent Efreno, M. Ruben, Kevin Hart, any Durant want to come and ask the questions. Of course, is essentially trying to mix up football with the various American sports. And America for national. After this World Cup, there's going to be some connect of sports normal panel to the current ones at El Honum, and that's exactly what they've been able to do El Honum. I'll run you through this quickly, then I'll end for you. Okay, like we were saying, Argentina for most sequence of attack, Nippon involved Mumpa those games on Lionel Messi. Then there's Enzo Fernandez, Leandro Paredes, Alvarez, Lautaro Martinez also as part of it. Now, most of the times Argentina turn the game around, like we said, it's on the right side where Lionel Messi and close to goal. Again, that's exactly how Athletic Fono, I believe he said, Argentina Fono was set up. Martinez, Leandro Martinez, Christian Romero, Molina, Tagliafico will be the back four McAllister, Paredes, DePaul, Enzo Fernandez. It's expected that they will go back to style of player boy against the Egyptians and the Swiss, Messi, Alvarez. In that regard, we expect instead for Spain it's an unchanged 11. Fabian Ruiz, Rodri, Laporte, Kubasi, Pedro Porro, Simon Kukurea, Alex Baena, Dani Olmo, Lamine Yamal, and Abentia friend Mikel Oyarzabal in there. The big question is that who wins the final? I think say Lamine be winning the first World Cup. I'm watching.
Really?
After 16 years, so Moji or South Africa, no, or 26 years. That was in 2010. And in 2026.
Yeah, 2010.
So that's 26 years. Abentia, Spain will win on the next World Cup. Spain will get on a second star. And because sometimes there are two histories there are two historical parts of the game that can affect it and quickly. Now when you say every country be a magic 4 World Cups, and I think about 3 or 4 country magic World Cup before. Germany, Italy, Brazil, Argentina is going to be the 4th one if they win this one.
Okay.
Now in all of these 3, before Mojo of 4th World Cup in Biano, there's 24 years between them, between the 3rd and 4th. There's a 24-year gap. Or the 3rd one now, it's taking 24 years and some the 4th one.
Okay.
Italy was same. For Brazil it was same. And then also for the Germans it was same. The last time they won it in Brazil. For Argentina, so it has taken him just 4 years.
Okay.
From Qatar to do it in America. It doesn't happen like that. But also, every time we've played a World Cup in the Americas, especially in Northern America, not Southern, usually the Southern American countries win it. So Uruguayans, the Brazilians, the Argentines, usually they win the World Cup when it's played in South America. Europeans find it hard to win it in South America. But in North America, they find it hard to win it there. But usually, the year span they will take it for them to go and do the job is a big deal. One of those histories is going to be defied. Spain, however, I think say will be winning. And the 3rd and 4th, there is nothing in it. I think say they game you know at least an over 2.5 goals on them. Now, they are ending up in that regard. Mami Fesina, Ian Murphy, and then let's speak about what's on the local scene.
Yeah.
Boys in the first Gab.
Me cry.
And 14 hours.
And also the dem baby pa na nka me se me ye adwuma so me wi afimi ho za ma anya adwuma na ansa na me jaase. Because friendly matches bebre wo ho ansa na we mu se nti no. Me say ye wi ana eja wa nyame anim na wa ba ko de ama me.
Yeah, say
be wi because na de mi ogidie pa. That na de ne de because matches you go on.
Yeah.
In your matches get
one. Yeah, me so when Chebia very, very important. I was at Canada for the diaspora for us to be something.
Okay.
Very, very soon. Almost screenshots no metric. The first one BW 6360259D. Second one BW 635FDB2C. Third one BW 635FDB2C. Fourth one BW 635F8F07, and the last one BW 635A20C8. These are the codes and meaning a betway codes and the coffee case. So Kofa Netra na and then you celebrating them.
Well, okay, Fiifi Manfred Anna or they are caught at the cardboard no so what they are mine so